Welcome back to Living 808. From island-wide growth to major community impact, Structural Systems, Inc. is closing out 2025 on a high note. Senior estimator Johnny Santos Thomas joins us in studio right now to reflect on this year's accomplishments and share exciting news about what homeowners, property managers, and businesses can expect from them in 2026. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it.
How you doing, John?
It's good to be able to sit down with you finally.
Yeah.
You've been on the show a bunch of times, but it's you and I now.
That's right.
Let's talk about some of the milestones that was accomplished in 2025 by Structural Systems.
Yeah, for sure. First off, we want to thank you guys for always having us in studio. It's always fun to do it. And
appreciate it.
Want to thank the entire state of Hawaii for all the support and trusting us moving forward. And as we close out 2025, look forward to 2026. We're very excited, and we couldn't be more happier, for the entire state of Hawaii.
Yeah.
Some of our milestones, 2025 was a huge growth year. We had a lot of spall, guardrail installation. Of course, our bread and butter is micropile for residential, for residents throughout all of Hawaii. And we're very fortunate and blessed that we get to do so. And a little feather in the cap, we were voted top foundation company in the entire state of Hawaii. So I just want to give a shout out to my foreman, superintendent, safety managers, the guys behind the scenes and the boots to the ground that don't get to get on TV, but we truly appreciate them.
Yeah, congratulations. It's such a big deal. You guys are helping save a lot of people's homes and buildings, and the guardrails was in the news a lot with rusting and falling out. And so thank you guys for all the work that you guys do. How have you guys, in your opinion, given back to the community in 2025?
Each year, we try to do a lot of golf tournaments. Just to name a few, Shriners for the kids, that's a good one. Habilitat is something that I did this year. That was the first one for us. That's for people that have addiction in the past, so it gets them on the straight and narrow. I did the WSO, which is Women Speak Out tournament. That's near and dear to us also. Damien just did Toys for Tots.
Yeah.
And Make-A-Wish Foundation, that's always a big one for us. That's very cool to watch the kids.
Yeah.
Not a dry eye in the seat, so
right, I bet.
Just to name a few.
What would you attribute the success of your company, and then how can you differentiate from other companies, in your opinion?
That's a great question, John. For us, it's when you're choosing a contractor, you want to make certain that they're bondable. Insurance, of course, workman's compensation coverage, and of course license. You want to make certain that they're able to perform all the duties. But at the same time, they're covered in case something goes south. Everyone's covered moving forward, and yeah, that's about it. And the other thing that separated us is, we've been on island for 40 years, so there's nothing that we haven't seen as a company, whether it's spall, drilling, guardrails. We've done it all. So our past experiences allow us to get better moving forward, and our means and methods keep improving as we experience all the projects that we do, and with the engineering design and the analysis that's helped us out. That's just a
company that's been around that long says a little something. And since you've been around that long, we're excited to know what you have in store for 2026. Would you tell us?
Yeah, in 2026, we're excited to launch our window and sliding door division and structural systems. John, we often get called out for spall, guardrail installation.
Yeah.
We're able to do this now with the windows and the sliders to do the entire building envelope. So that's a huge added bonus for us. Most of these applications and systems are going to be in condos and high rises, but keep in mind, if you have a mixed-use retail ground floor, those have windows and sliders also. For the viewers at home to give us a call, and we'll have that information for you in a bit.
For those that are wondering what that's all about, you know how when you try to close your screen door and it goes and it doesn't really want to close? These guys fix all of that, tracks and everything, frames and everything, right?
That's right.
All right, thank you so much for being here. How do folks reach out to you guys?
They can reach us at 808-845-2474, or they can go on our website, www.ssihawaii.com.
Okay, perfect. And that's you guys can give them a call if you're having trouble. If you're seeing cracks in your foundation, they do it all. Check them out on their website. Johnny, thank you so much.
Okay.
Happy holidays, brother.
Thank you. Yes,
Appreciate
and to you. Aloha.
All right, coming up next on the show.